Well, that's a big question. I think the first is to recognize that the decisions of the SOA on education, professional development, and member engagement will greatly impact our opportunities for growth around the world. We have three services that we can provide: credentialing, professional development, and research. Every country is different in its need and desire for these services and their ability to support them. We are currently using a mix of ambassadors, regional offices, staff, and committees to support China, Greater Asia, South America, and other countries such as India. In each case, we are careful to only work in collaboration with the local organization. In Asia, many local organizations are glad to use the SOA credential as the entry into their national organization, which then supplies any needed national content to qualify for work in that country. In a country like India, where we have seen a large growth in actuarial services, but little chance of the FSA credential being accepted there is, however, a great interest in certificates or professional development courses to demonstrate competency in pension work, IFRS 17, PBR, and predictive analytics to support the large amount of U.S. and international business that is growing rapidly in that country. Well, two things come to mind here. I think the first is if we create a more flexible career path by allowing multiple entry and exit ramps on the journey to FSA, we'll be able to broaden the interest of many other people. I may be a data analytics master's or PhD who wants a certificate that shows that I understand the principles needed to apply that in an insurance context. I might be an ASA who desires a certificate in multiple topics, but I don't want to take the full FSA route. I may want something that's different than technical skills, but that does provide employer and employment credibility. I also think that we can appeal to the idealism expressed by many in the younger generations, and even some of us in the older generation, by providing more socially relevant research, such as we have already started to do with the Climate Change Index, and we're investigating how to do on other topics. I think if we do that, the participation will follow.